Hey guys, grab your case, Sue. I have a card for you. This is a shaped card. Couldn't think of the word. Shaped card, and if you can see, these are all different papers that I used. You can do them all the same, but I wanted to use some scraps up. And the die is a paper tray ink die. Here's the die. It comes in with two. It's got the base, and this shows you where to fold it. And then here is the different layers there. And then if you want to, I didn't do it because it was an autumn card, but it's got the eyes and mouth for the pumpkin, and here's the stem, which I did do the stem here. So alright, and the words here, where did I get these? Where did I get the words? I don't remember. I am so sorry. I don't remember where I got this. If you'd like to know, let me know, and I will find it. I am so sorry. I'm trying to get better at keeping everything together, but this one slipped away from me, I guess. And the leaves I've had done for a long time. These were cut out of Tim Holtz, the tattered leaves, but I cut them out of material. This material I got from a long time ago from a office supply or office where you get desks and chairs and everything done. They were going out of business, and they had a bunch of the samples, you know, with a bunch of sample material type things. So I got a lot of those, and I cut those out. And then on the inside, oh, I hadn't done anything on the inside, but there's the inside. Oh, and there's my stamp. But see, here's how it's folded here. Actually, let me take that back. This is where you cut your base out to the size that you need it, and this is where you put you fold it, and this is where you put the fold line so it won't cut and it'll fold instead, and it gives you actually one piece. This is one piece, and on the front is where you glue the extra parts, these parts. So that's how that's done. And this flag is a die I use quite often. And as often as I use it, you'd think I'd know who it was from. From a long time ago, My Craft Spot. I don't even know if she still is selling stuff or not, but ribbons, banners, straight, but they're different kinds in there, and this is the one I use a lot. But anyway, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and let me know any thoughts, if you like it or don't, or suggestions, but just let me know. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.